Welcome back, Restore Metal Wells family. We are finally finished. The results are complete, and I thank God that this is done. This took longer than expected, but you know what? The progress was worth it, and I'll say the experience as well. Was finally able to paint this and get everything done. As we walk back here, the other videos, there's like a big gap between day 3 and now, but I just want to show y'all the finished product that I did, and that it's finally complete. Everything's been cemented and posted, rock solid, concrete drilled and screwed as well, painted together and ready, or done. Let me say that, and done. Hope you enjoyed this content, and you know what to do. Punch a like, subscribe, shout out to your boy, and support. I pray that y'all have a wonderful and a blessed day. Until next time, this is your boy Stefan Thomas Taylor from Restored Metal Welding. Peace.